The Cat PM622 is a high-performance cold planer designed for superior maneuverability and control in road construction and maintenance applications. It features a powerful Cat C18 engine, a durable and dependable cutting system, and a comfortable work environment for operators. Key features of the Cat PM622. Fuel-efficient power. The Cat C18 engine delivers 636 horsepower, 474 kilowatts, and meets regional emission standards. This powerful engine provides the necessary torque to handle large milling jobs efficiently. Optimal maneuverability and control. The Cat PM622 features a tight turning radius and precise step control, making it ideal for navigating tight spaces and achieving consistent milling depths. Efficient material removal. The milling width of the Cat PM622 is 88 inches, 2,235 millimeters, and it can mill to a maximum depth of 14 inches, 356 millimeters. This wide milling width and deep milling depth allow for efficient material removal and faster project completion times. Comfortable work environment. The Cat PM622 offers a comfortable and ergonomic operator station with excellent visibility, dual control consoles, and optional amenities such as a power sun canopy and suspension seats. Durable and dependable cutting system. The Cat PM622 features a durable and dependable cutting system with a high-strength rotor and wear-resistant teeth. This cutting system is designed to withstand the rigors of demanding milling applications. Boost precision with integrated Cat technology. The Cat PM622 is equipped with Cat grade technology, which provides precise step control and automated cross-slope and leveling. This technology helps to ensure consistent milling results and reduces the need for manual adjustments. Overall, the Cat PM622 is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly cold planer that is well suited for a wide range of road construction and maintenance applications.